Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add a zoom in transition onto your video using VN Editor. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Here, I already prepared two video, and in this two video, I would like to have a zoom in transition from this to this. And how do I to do it? First, on the first video, we need to freeze onto this video like this, by clicking the freeze button, and after that we can delete this video, and now we already have the first video and the freeze motion. And now click forward the freeze motion like this, and after you forward it, click it and click fill. And now you can see, and it will be look like this. So how to add the zoom in motion is just by clicking the freeze image, and then add a keyframe, click keyframe, and then add a mask. And in this tutorial I would like to try to use this radial mask. Double tap and then adjust the size of the mask, and for example I would like to put it on this owl eye like this, and adjust the size of it. And after you doing it, now swipe left until the end of the freeze image like this, and click done. After you click done, add a keyframe one more time, and then add a zoom in effect by zooming the image like this. And after that, go back to the mask and make the mask wider like this. After you finish doing it, now we can see the result. It will be look like this. If you don't satisfied with the result, you can adjust the curve by clicking this curve button here, and add a ease out curve, and then click done. Now we can see the result, and your video will be look like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.